Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make custom emoji on Discord. Now remember, you need to be the owner of the Discord server in order for that emoji to be available on your server. You cannot do it on random people's server, alright? So for this, first create yourself an emoji. Now the easiest way to create yourself an emoji is go on your search engine and search for whatever emoji you want. Let's say I want water as emoji. I will search for water and go on image. It's going to show me images of water. So I want this to be my emoji. What I can do is hold on the picture, click on save to photo. Now what I have done is I have just downloaded a picture. After I download the picture, I can open Discord and click on the server which I'm owner of, which is this WK. And then after I open my server, at the top right, I will click on the three dot. And from over here, I will choose settings. And from settings, I'm scrolling a bit down and I will click on this option called emoji. Once I click on emoji, I can see the option called upload emoji. I will click on upload and then I will choose this picture, the one which I just downloaded. I can even choose which section I want. So I want this section and I will click on choose. Once I click on choose, the emoji will be uploaded like this. Now what I can do is go on my server and try to use that emoji. As you guys can see, the emoji will appear over here. It's going to be told emoji 2. If I paste it, the emoji is going to appear just like this. So I'm just going to delete it real quick. So that's how we guys can add custom emoji on Discord. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll be seeing you guys in my future video. Bye bye.